Hello, my name is Karen D, and I post videos about my travels, adventures, lifestyle, and fashion. In this video, I am going to show you my day in Chicago at the NASCAR event and to Wrigleyville to a Cubs game. At least I tried to get into the game and end up the weekend with friends and family. Please enjoy. All right, it is Saturday in July. I am going to the NASCAR event in Chicago. What I'm wearing, a white tank top from Amazon and a jean shorts. Actually, this is from Walmart. And then my favorite Crocs sandals and a purse my dad gave me for Christmas. I love this because it's a shoulder bag, so I can just crisscross it and not worry about it. So that is the outfit of the day. A bathroom.
Anything else?
That's it.
And the name?
Karen. Pictures here last year, not this year. Alright, so this is the outfit for the day. Today, I'm at the NASCAR event in Chicago. I am wearing a white tank top and a denim shorts and my Crocs. So that's OOTD for today. I had such a great time here. The final performer was the Chainsmokers, and I tell ya, I danced a lot. I really enjoyed myself. Supposedly, my friend is getting a freaking a bike. One of those guys is gonna bike us up somewhere, but I am waiting. So let's see what he comes up with. Let's see what he comes up with. Alright, but look at that view right there. Alright, I think that's not my ride. I think my ride is coming up. Let's see. The metro. I've been there. You don't have to commit, just me. Well, we didn't make it inside, so we just walked around, and then we ended up going to Shake Shack because that's one of Dylan's favorite fast food restaurants. So we ended up going there, and then we also ended up going to Racing Canes because I had never had Racing Canes, so that's what we did.
You're welcome.
That was the Tin Roof in Wrigleyville, and I recommend this place if you like to dance and have fun. I always have a great time here. Here again with an umbrella. It's raining. So we never made it inside to watch the Cubs game because we were late. But that's all right. We're hanging out. We're hanging out. We ended up to a place called Umaga Bakehouse, and they have delicious Filipino baked goods. And so we brought a few home. It's my first time. First time. Hi.
You know, somebody stopped me at the Cubs game. They were like this.
Oh, that's cool. So we are at Umaga. It's a big shop. It's pretty new. They have a lot of favorites. 39. Hello, peeps. Alright, so tell me how many guys, all in healthcare, how many guys does it take to size crutches? One.
Where do you want to go?
How many crutches?
Alyssa. Bring it downstairs? Actually, crutches because they call the kids.
Okay, so we are still trying to figure this out.
And him, he just orders the things, so I can feel.
Alright.
I know what it looks like. I know what I want in my head, so I can order. Are you punching?
And that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.